All right, it's about time. Nice redfish. That old boy came up all over it, I'll tell you. Splashers and more splashers. Did a water temp a little while ago. It was 81.2. I'm sitting in here some pretty skinny water. A really rocky bay in here. About the only thing I can throw up in here is this topwater, this skitter walk. And the closer he gets to the shoreline over here, the better chance he's got of breaking me off in the rocks. This ain't bad fish. He popped it a couple times here lately. Seem to be getting a lot of splashers. And the water temperature's plenty warm for him to hit these top waters. Alright, buddy, I don't need you in the mangroves. Need you under the boat. I don't need you in the anchor. I just need for you to keep doing your thing right there, buddy. This is not a small red either, and I probably got him hooked under the chin. That's where it's hooked. These old fish, their faces sweep down. So anytime he came up, he came out of the bottom, he came after that lure on the top. A little bit off, he's pushing 26 at least. Got a couple of spots on him. It's a pretty fish. Pretty fish, look at those red fins. This tannic water up here, these are some kind of nice. Pretty fish, pretty fish. Finally started off the afternoon. All right, buddy. All right, first fin of the afternoon, 25-inch red. Got a couple spots on this side and a couple spots on the other side. He's weighing about maybe 7 pounds. On the top water, up here in the refuge. Look at his stomach. They're starving. There's just no bait up in here. He's hungry. All right, buddy. Back in the water. Catch you on the flip. See ya. Oh, all right. Second red on. Woo! He walloped it too. All right, hot dog. Well, it's finally paid off. I've come in some real skinny water here, probably 2 feet at the most. But the lime rock in here is some kind of fierce. So I don't need him wandering around. I don't need him in the mangroves over here. I need to get him in here close. Work him in here close. Whew. Well, thought this might be a bust of an afternoon, but got the second boy on. Oh, these are some strong fish. They got big old, come on. Come on out of there. There we go. Well, I got the salad to go along with the fish. A weed fish. Get him out from under there. There we go. Ooh, there's another healthy fish. Ooh, this is a HoggBoddy. Look at this sucker. Woo! You got a mouthful of skitterwalk too. And it ain't the same fish. This one's only got one spot on each side. Look at this big boy. Another 25, 26 inch. On that topwater, skitterwalk. Yeehaw! There's another HoggBoddy. 26 inch red. Two spotter, one on each side. Look at his belly. He ain't got nothing to eat up here. I'm not seeing any bait. Whew, this is another big one. These are pretty fish. And they are strong. Look at that big old tail. Alright, buddy. Back in the drink. Been a lot of fun. Catch you on the flip side. There you go. No belly up on me. Time to head off in the Gulf and head back to the shack. See ya.